mga Pure Gold. I am your host, Los Akiyama, and welcome to the media conference of the newest Pure Gold channel series, Si Sol at Si Luna. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Sama-sama tayo ngayong hapon as we've got an incredible program ahead. You'll be hearing from the minds behind the scenes, behind the stories, meeting our amazing cast, and of course, celebrating the official countdown to the May 31 premiere of Si Sol at Si Luna on the official Pure Gold channel on YouTube. Now, why is Si Sol at Si Luna special? Because it delivers cinema-level storytelling straight to your screens. Pure Gold channel is giving everything you love, the visuals, the drama, the emotion, and making it available to everyone, anywhere, kahit sinong gustong manood sa YouTube channel lang. All you have to do is to subscribe to the official YouTube account ng Pure Gold. Yan ang Pure Gold channel. Guys, excited na ba kayong makita sila?
Yes!
Isa pa, excited na ba kayo makita sila?
Yes!
Alright then, it's time for us to meet the cast behind Si Sol at Si Luna. Finally, the heart of our story, ang inquisitive at perpetual optimist na si Sol, played by the multi-talented Zaijan Haranilla. Give another round of applause for our stars joining us this afternoon. Could our stars please rise from their seats to show the fans para makita nila yung mga faces nyo? Pa-suspense, di ba? Excited na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo yan? Alright, with our stars here na ready na to reveal our poster. Ayan, let's invite all of our cast here as well. Everyone, please rise and para makita naman. Our cast here is yung poster ng very wonderful series nila. Are you guys ready? Is our cast ready? Yeah! On my count, 3, 2, 1. Napakaganda nito mga poster, grabe. All right.